हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक विथ न्यू वीडियो ऑन जावा प्रोग्रामिंग। तो इस वीडियो में हम एक जावा प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज कंसोल बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट करेंगे। अब तक हमने कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट, ऑपरेटर्स, वेरिएबल्स एंड टाइप्स ये कंसेप्ट देखी है। तो उसके बेस पर हम एक कंसोल बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन दैट इज मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेटर क्रिएट करेंगे। फॉर दैट, क्रिएट वन जावा प्रोजेक्ट, गिव नेम कैलकुलेटर, click on finish, then expand the project, create one Java file, name as calculator, click on finish. Then you all know calculator consists of operations like addition, enter, subtraction, then multiplication, division and modulus. So basic operations perform करेंगे. For that, first we need two numbers and we are taking the dynamically that numbers. For that, create scanner class object scanner sc is equals to new scanner. Then we are accepting input from user. For that, print message using SOP statement. In that, enter first number. Same for second number. For first number, we are accepting integers, so type int num1 assign. Then by using scanner class object dot next int, we will store our input into the scanner, that is in a object num1. Then for the same second number, enter second number. Same repeat for second number. That is num2. Then we will print one message, that is which operation you want to perform. For that, in SOP, write which operation you want to perform. For that, and I'm adding slash n, that is it transferred our next string into the next line. For first, addition, then again paste slash n, then number 2 is subtraction, again slash n, then third operation is multiplication, same. Fourth one is division, and the fifth one is modulus. Just add slash n, module. Save the file and run it for checking the messages. Here, enter first number 1, enter second number 2. Then, here you can see the use of slash n. That is, when we add the slash n, the next string, that whatever we are writing or messages, whatever we are writing, are goes into the next line. Okay. Then we want to choose one operation from that. So we will give one choice to user, that is, we will take input in the numbers, that is 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication and 4 for the division and all. So we'll take integer in choice is equals to sc dot next int. We'll print our, that is user's choice. Here I'm printing the choice variable. Let's see it is printing or not. Rerun the program. Enter 1. Entering 1 for first number, second 6, and then which operation you want to perform. For that I am pressing 2, that is subtraction. Here is printing the 2. So we're getting our choice, that is user's choice. So next, if user gives 2. Then user want to perform subtraction, so we need to write the expression for that. I'm just cutting. We see the switch statement in our last videos. So by using the switch case, switch, and then we are passing the choice, enter, opening and closing curly brackets. Then in that we are writing the cases for that, that is case 1. If user enter 1, then we are performing the addition, that is use semicolon, and that is for storing the result we will initialize one variable, that is int result. Initially it is none. Then operate result is equals to num1 plus num2, give semicolon. Then print the result, that is by using system.out.println. Addition is, then print the result, add plus operator for concatenation. Then remember to add the break, otherwise it will continuously execute the remaining code. Then add case 2, give space. Then for same subtraction, result is equals to num1 minus num2, give semicolon, and same print the result, that is subtraction is result. I'm copying and pasting for the multiplication, division, and modulus. Here you can see double 2, that is same input or same condition is not allowed here. So for 3 we have the multiplication. So multiplication is performed using the star operator. Then the multiplication is print result. Then for division we have the 4 input, print the result. Then for modulus we have the 5th operator, symbol is percentage, and remainder is print result. And the default condition is if input is other than this, then give the result, then it print the message for user, that is you have entered wrong choice or invalid choice. Okay, then save the program, rerun it. So here you can see enter first number, I am entering 5. Then enter second number, I am entering 9. Then enter which operation you want to perform. I am performing the multiplication, that is for that enter 3. Here you can see your multiplication is 45, that is 9 into 5 is 45. Again clear console, rerun it. Then I'm entering first number as 6, enter second number as 2. I'm performing the modulus operation, that is enter 5, remainder is 0. For such videos, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.